let's go right.
Hey, welcome to today's video. Today I will give you a bit of an update why it has been so quiet the past few weeks or month on the channel, and also give you a little bit of idea what you can expect in terms of content for the coming time and what my plans are for the rest of the year. But first of all, it has been quite quiet the past few weeks, and it had several reasons, but mainly, just to summarize, I have been busy with other stuff. There were some things that messed up the schedule a little bit. One of those things is I managed to catch COVID at the end of the COVID period. Took me long enough. Didn't have that much complaints or symptoms. Could be a lot worse. Also, the rest of the family got it, so that kept us busy for about 2.5 weeks. Also, I didn't play any spring competition, but I substituted for other teams also in some weekends, so that also eat into my riding time quite a bit. Also, hey, that's nice. Because I don't play any competition this year, I'm training now for a triathlon, just to have something to do, so to say. It's just a sprint triathlon, not that long, but still I train about 6 to 8 times a week. And that also eats into the editing time quite a bit, and that's not a problem if it's straightforward videos that I want to upload, but for some other stuff it is, if you have a lot of footage to go through. The triathlon is in 2 weeks time, so that should free. After that I should have a bit more free time. I also went away on a weekend trip, so all things considered, I had quite some full weekends. Yeah, you can only do one thing at a time, and basically it just comes down to having too many hobbies and doing too many stuff. So yeah, could be worse things. In terms of plans, that's we just finished, and I'm not sure what the sequence will be for uploading, but I think that you've already seen the Ascensions day tour. That's something we did yesterday. Then probably this video goes out. I did practice all the parking lot drills that you have to pass for your bike control exam together with Luke, so that's something I'm editing, but it takes a bit of time. That should come out in the coming few weeks as well. This weekend I'm going to the KTM dealer with Luke. I'm gonna demo ride 390 Adventure and a 890 Adventure. Luke is gonna demo ride the 1290 and the 890. He is actually looking for a bike, so I let him pick. There was only one slot available for the 1290, which, well, I'm not too sad about. We'll have fun anyway, so that's looking forward to that. We also set a date for the first trip for the bike weekend. That's gonna be towards the end of July, so to start planning for that as well, because we didn't pick any hotel or area or whatsoever yet, and towards the end of July, it's in about 1.5 months more or less. So yeah, that's also coming up. So if we don't do anything on that, well, we have some days off then, but no plan. Which would be a bit of a shame. We also probably, but that's not sure yet, we're probably going to go on a second long trip, or second weekend trip, the end of September or mid-September. No, not picked the date for that 100% yet. And we have a bit more time to make a plan for that as well. So all things considered, there's quite a few things coming up that I'm quite excited about. We also didn't pick a date yet, but we still have a plan to do advanced training this year. But we didn't pick a date for that yet, so that's also something that still we need to do. And having said all that, there's also still some stuff I plan to do. One of them is to make a long-term owner review for the GS. Not sure yet when I will find the time to do that, but that's something that will pop up on the channel in the coming few months as well. There are not gonna be that many modification videos anymore because basically everything on the bike is more or less done. The last major thing that's still pending, or that I still want to do, is the suspension. But I had contact with a guy doing who was able to rebuild the shocks, but he doesn't have any time due to personal circumstances, and doesn't look like he will have anytime soon. So I found another company, but I still need to contact them and see what's actually possible, what's the cost of it. And of course, I still need to do the yearly maintenance, but I'm not sure if I will put that on video. If you're interested in that stuff, let me know down below in the comments. Then I will make a video out of it. This gives you a pretty good update what you can expect for the next few months. And also the reason why I've been absent for a little while. I hope you enjoyed. If you have anything you want to know, let me know down below in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!